Hello students, welcome back to online session. This is Sridevi from APPA Public School, handling social subject for 5th standard. Today I am going to continue the same chapter, that is latitudes and longitudes. Children, what did you learn yesterday? You learned about latitudes, equator, parallels, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, north pole, south pole, the values of the latitudes in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. All these points we had learned yesterday, isn't it? Now we are going to learn about the important latitudes other than north pole, south pole and equator. Children, do you have any idea regarding the 4 important latitudes other than equator, north pole and south pole? First one is Tropic of Cancer. Second one is Tropic of Capricorn. Third one is Arctic Circle. And fourth one is Antarctic Circle. Okay, these are the 4 important latitudes. These are the 4 important latitudes other than equator, north pole and south pole. Okay, say Tropic of Cancer is also called as 23.5 north latitude. 23.5 degree north latitude. Okay, 23.5 degree north latitude is also called as Tropic of Cancer. And 23.5 degree south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, now 66.5 degree north latitude is called Arctic Circle. And 66.5 degree south latitude is called Antarctic Circle. I repeat once again, children. Say, Tropic of Cancer is also called as 23.5 degree north latitude. The Tropic of Capricorn is also called as 23.5 degree south latitude. Arctic Circle is called as 66.5 degree north latitude. And Antarctic Circle is also called as 66.5 degree south latitude. Understood, children? These are the 4 important latitudes we have other than equator, north pole and south pole. Say, Tropic of Cancer is also called as northern tropic. Okay, this is also called as northern tropic. Okay, next, Tropic of Capricorn is also called as southern tropic. Southern tropic. Okay, children, now you came to know about 4 important latitudes other than equator, north pole and south pole. Now let us see about longitudes. Here, children, in figure, this is 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude is also called as equator. Okay, this is 23.5 degree latitude. It is nothing but Tropic of Cancer. This is 66.5 degree north latitude. This is called as Arctic Circle. Okay, 23.5 degree south latitude. This is Tropic of Capricorn. And 66.5 degree south latitude. This is Antarctic Circle. Understood, children? Now, longitudes. What are longitudes, children? Longitudes are nothing but the vertical lines which are drawn from north to south are called longitudes. See, these are the longitudes. See, this is north pole, this is south pole. These are the longitudes. Okay, the vertical lines. What type of lines are these? These are vertical lines. Okay, they are drawn from north pole to south pole. Okay. Longitudes are the vertical lines which are drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Okay. Children, what is the definition of longitudes? Longitudes are the vertical lines which are drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Okay. See here. These are the vertical lines. Already I told you this type of line is called horizontal line and this type of line is called vertical line. What type of lines are these? These are vertical lines. How are they drawn? They are drawn from north to south. Okay. They are called longitudes. Children, how many longitudes are there? There are 360 longitudes. How many longitudes are there? There are 360 longitudes. Longitudes are also called as meridians. Okay. What are longitudes also called as? Longitudes are also called as meridians. Understood, children? See here. See, how is the distance between the longitudes? The distance between the longitudes is y at the equator. See, from the distance between the longitude. This is one longitude, this is another, like this, one by one. Okay. See here, how is the distance? It is wider. See, how is the distance at the poles? At the poles is least. Okay. That means the distance between the longitudes at the equator is least and at the poles is, at the equator is wider. Okay. So see, the distance between the longitudes at the equator is wide and the distance between the longitudes at the North Pole and South Pole is least. Understood, children? Now, next is 0-degree meridian. What is next? Next is 0-degree meridian. Okay, children, this is here, which is 0-degree meridian. This one. This is called 0-degree meridian. See, 0-degree meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Okay, why it is called as Greenwich meridian? Because it passes through the place called Greenwich in London, in United Kingdom. Okay, say, listen here. Greenwich meridian, 0-degree meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. Because Zero-degree meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian because it passes through a place called Greenwich in United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Okay. See here, 0-degree meridian. Okay. 0-degree meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Okay. Because it passes through a place called Greenwich in United Kingdom. Okay. See, this Greenwich meridian is also called as prime meridian. Understood, children? Prime meridian. What is prime meridian? prime meridian is nothing but 0-degree meridian. 0-degree meridian is nothing but Greenwich meridian. Got it, children? Now, yeah, 0-degree meridian is an important meridian. Why it is an important meridian? Because it divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay. It divides the earth into two equal halves. Two equal halves. Okay. Why 0-degree meridian is an important longitude? Why it is important longitude? Because it divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay. What are they? They are Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Okay, what are Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere? See, these are the parts of the earth. Okay, these are the parts of the earth. What is Eastern Hemisphere? What is Western Hemisphere? Let us see now. First one, Eastern Hemisphere. What is Eastern Hemisphere? The part of the earth, part of the earth to the part of the earth to the east of the prime meridian. Prime meridian is called Eastern Hemisphere. Got it, children? Here, see what is Eastern Hemisphere. See, the part of the earth to the east of the prime meridian is called Eastern Hemisphere. Let us see the figure. See, this is the prime meridian. It is dividing the earth into two equal halves. Okay, this is called Eastern Hemisphere. The part which is located here east of the prime meridian, that is called Eastern Hemisphere. See, easy to understand. I'll show you. See, this is the circle. I am dividing it into two parts. Okay, that means two halves. Okay, this is called Eastern Hemisphere and this is called Western Hemisphere. Got it, children? Here, full half part. Okay, this is called Western Hemisphere. This is called Eastern Hemisphere. This is prime meridian. Okay, this is the prime meridian. This is dividing the earth into two equal halves. They are Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Okay. Next, let us see Western Hemisphere. What is Western Hemisphere? Western Hemisphere. Okay. Now, the part of the earth to the west of the prime meridian is called Western Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere. Okay, children. Say, now what is Western Hemisphere? The part of the earth, see, the part of the earth to the west of the prime meridian is called western hemisphere. Let us see here. Say this is the prime meridian. This part is called eastern hemisphere and this part is called western hemisphere. Understood, children? Now, next is all the longitudes which are present in the eastern hemisphere are followed by the letter E. Okay, E stands for east. Okay, see all the latitudes, all the longitudes, all the longitudes which are located in the eastern hemisphere are followed by the letter E. What do you mean by E? E means east. E stands for east. Okay. See, listen here. All the longitudes which are located in the eastern hemisphere are followed by the letter E. E stands for east. Okay. See, all the longitudes which are present in the eastern hemisphere are followed by the letter E. What do you mean by E? E means east. Okay. Next is say all the longitudes which are present in the western hemisphere are followed by the letter W. Okay, W means west. Okay, see here. All the longitudes which are present in the western hemisphere are followed by the letter W. Okay, W stands for west. Okay, W means west. Here children, say all the longitudes which are present in the western hemisphere are followed by the letter W. W means west. Here say children, this is the western hemisphere. Already I have shown dividing it into two parts. Okay. See here, this is called western hemisphere. All the longitudes which are present in the western hemisphere are followed by the letter E. E stands for west. E stands for east. Okay. E stands for east. W stands for west. Okay. Now, next is 180-degree meridian. Okay. See children, 180-degree meridian is located back of this 0-degree meridian. This is called 0-degree meridian. No? Okay. Quite opposite to 0-degree meridian, we have 180-degree meridian. Okay. 180-degree meridian is also called as, okay, it is also called as international dateline. International dateline. Okay. See children, 180-degree east meridian and 180-degree west meridian. West meridian. Both are same. Okay, 180 degree east meridian and 180 degree west meridian, both are same. It is called as international dateline. With the help of this international dateline, we can find out the dates. Understood, children? Here, next is calculating dates. Calculating. Sorry. Calculating see how we calculate the places on the earth. Okay, how we find out the places on the earth. Let us see. Okay. See here. What is this? This is the network formed by the latitudes and the longitudes. Okay, children. What is this? This is the network formed by the latitudes and longitudes. What is it called? It is called grid. Okay. Calculating places. Let us see how can we calculate the places. Here, what is grid? What is grid? The network formed by the latitudes and longitudes is called grid. What is grid? The network formed by the latitudes and longitudes is called grid. Okay, children. What is grid? Grid is nothing but the network formed by the latitudes and longitudes is called grid. Right? This is nothing but grid. Okay, what is this? This is grid. See, how can we find out the places with the help of the grid? Let us see. See, grid, what is the use of grid? Grid helps us in locating the places accurately. Okay. What is the use of grid? Grid helps us in locating the places accurately on the Earth's surface. Say, listen here, the latitudes and longitudes intersect with each other. Okay, the latitudes and longitudes intersect with each other and form the grid. The point where the latitudes and longitudes intersect now, it is the correct location of a place. Either it may be small or big. Understood, children? Say, for example, here Goa is located 15 degree north and 73 degree east. Okay, that means Goa is located 15 degree north latitude and 73 degree east longitude. See, this is 0 degree meridian and these are the latitudes. Okay, here this is 0 degree latitude. I have taken the same as 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree latitudes. Here 71, this is prime meridian. No? Here this is eastern side, this is eastern side and this is western side. Okay, this is the eastern and this is the western. Here This is 0 degree meridian, no? Here, this is northern. Okay, this is southern. This is southern and this is northern. Understood, children? Say that means the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves now. One is eastern and one is western. The 0 degree latitude divides two parts, earth into two parts. One is northern hemisphere, one is southern hemisphere. Understood, children? Here, this is the meridian, 0 degree meridian. Here, this is 71 degree longitude, 72, 73, these are the longitudes, and this 5, 10, 15, these are the latitudes. That means, see where is Goa located? Goa is located 15 degree north. This is the 15 degree north latitude. Okay, 73 degree east longitude. Where is 73 degree east longitude? Here. Okay, that means these two points are intersecting here. Okay. That is why this is the place of Goa. Understood, children? Like this, we can locate places by using the grid. Okay. By using the grid, we can locate the places. That means by using the latitudes and longitudes, we can locate the places easily on the earth. Understood, children? Children, by this I finished this lesson, latitudes and longitudes. I hope you all understood the lesson well. Uh, it is left to you that you should open your textbook and read whole lesson 2 or 3 times. Then you can understand the lesson properly. Understood, children? Okay, thank you.